It's a pleasure to be here.
Chemistry is required to have a sustainable future. So chemistry needs to have the skills to deliver for that sustainable future.
See the problems that are ahead of us and come up with viable technological solutions.
Some chemists can get degrees and not know what makes molecules toxic. In 10 years, that must be a thing of the past. I see bits and pieces of all these people in my past that define who I am, and so I've been blessed to have many, many role models. Anything Star Trek.
I fully agree to that. And maybe not Breaking Bad.
No, I couldn't watch Breaking Bad. I stopped watching Breaking Bad.
Me too.
Yep. Green chemistry.